Understanding sector time in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase sector time. This might be a new term for many of you, so we'll break it down, look at its usage, and help you understand how and when you can use it in your conversations. Let's dive in. Sector time is a term often used in specific contexts, particularly in racing, like Formula One, and sometimes in aviation. In racing, a track is divided into several sectors for timing purposes, and the time taken to complete each sector is the sector time. This term is crucial for understanding which parts of the racetrack a driver is fast or slow on. In aviation, it can refer to the time spent in a particular airspace sector. This usage is less common and more technical, but it's good to know. Now, let's see some examples of how sector time is used in sentences. 1. In racing, the driver clocked an impressive sector time in the first part of the track, showing his strong performance. 2. In aviation, less common, the flight's sector time was longer than usual due to air traffic. Notice how the context changes the subtle nuances of the term. Understanding when to use sector time is crucial. Use it in conversations about sports, especially motor racing. It can be a part of discussions involving strategy and performance analysis in racing. Avoid using it in everyday conversation, as it is a specialized term with limited application outside specific contexts. Remember, using the right terminology in the correct context is key to sounding like a pro. And that's a wrap on sector time. I hope this video has clarified what this term means and how you can use it in the right context. Stay tuned for more videos where we demystify such specialized terms, making English learning an exciting journey for you. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.